We've talked about how tight we can make our homes for better performance with energy. Of course, we want to make sure we control our indoor air quality. Part of that system and that effort is with a radon reduction system. Radon is a naturally occurring gas that comes out of the ground. It's basically radioactive decay of uranium deposits that were pushed here through glaciers. Sometimes they'll be concentrated, sometimes they won't. So you'll have varying levels of radon depending on where you're at. So we just assume that there's going to be some everywhere, and so we put a passive radon mitigation system in every home we do. What this does is draws air out from underneath the concrete slab. We talked about how we insulate the slab, and we use this 6 mil poly underneath it as our air barrier, so that keeps the air from transferring not only from the slab but also back up through it, bringing that gas with it. So we can control that air movement through this radon mitigation system. This pipe goes down through the gravel, all the way through the slab into the gravel, to a T like this that's down underneath there. And then we'll run out each end of that T with a piece of sock drain tile, which increases the surface area and the airflow that will get up through this pipe. This pipe will run to take that cool air that's underneath the slab and run up through the warm house, so it naturally draws through the stack effect up through the house and draws that air out underneath the slab. The other benefit it does, it takes any moisture that's in that area under the slab also and evaporates it and takes it out through the house. So you end up with a drier basement too because of it. Our primary focus, of course, is with indoor air quality and any radon opportunities to mitigate radon. Sometimes you'll have a heavier concentration of those deposits and maybe a higher radon reading when they do testing. So just in case that might happen, what we'll do is in the attic above the insulation, we'll leave a good 3 to 4 foot vertical pipe up there so they come in later and cut a fan in if needed. So it's very easy to do, obviously, before we pour concrete in here. Very inexpensive to do, and it really helps our whole indoor air quality program.